What if I told you that you don't have to spend months building a course from scratch to start selling AI training online? What if someone else already recorded the videos, wrote the ebook, designed the sales page, and all you had to do was customize it, make it your own, and start selling? That's exactly what's happening right now inside a booming corner of the digital product world. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find it, evaluate it, and turn it into your own income stream. Before we go further, make sure to like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe, because this is one of the fastest ways to enter the AI education space without creating everything from zero. And remember, on this channel, you can find exactly the kind of practical content you're looking for, whatever your next AI project happens to be. Let's get into it. There's a specific type of digital product that's exploding in popularity right now, and it's called PLR, which stands for Private Label Rights. In simple terms, PLR content is fully created material, videos, ebooks, slides, worksheets that someone else has already built and that comes with a license letting you rebrand it, edit it, and resell it as your own. Instead of spending weeks scripting, recording, and editing a course, you can start with an existing product and customize it for your own audience. And right now, one of the hottest categories inside this space is anything related to ChatGPT, AI automation, and productivity. Why? Because millions of people are searching for ways to use AI in their work, but most of them have no idea where to start, which creates massive demand for beginner-friendly training. But here's something you need to understand before you buy anything. Buying a PLR course doesn't automatically give you permission to use it however you want. Every product comes with its own license, and those licenses can be very different. Some allow full editing and rebranding, while others place restrictions on what you can modify, where you can sell it, or whether you can remove the original creator's branding. Always read the license carefully before you spend any money. So let's talk about what these products actually look like. Most PLR courses in this niche come as a bundle, usually including a set of video lessons, sometimes 10, sometimes 20 or more, walking through topics like using ChatGPT for content creation, automating repetitive business tasks, writing effective prompts, or using AI tools to boost daily productivity. Alongside the videos, you'll typically get a written guide or ebook covering the same material in text form, which you can use as a bonus, a lead magnet, or a standalone product. Many packages also include ready-made sales pages, graphics, banners, and promotional images, so you don't have to design anything yourself before you start selling. Some sellers even throw in checklists, cheat sheets, and templates that make the whole package feel more like a complete business in a box rather than just a single course. Now, here's where it gets important, because not all PLR is created equal. Some packages are outdated, poorly produced, or so generic that dozens of other people are already selling nearly identical content. The biggest mistake people make is buying a PLR bundle and listing it for sale without changing anything. That's the fastest way to compete directly with everyone else who bought the exact same product. Instead, think of PLR as raw material. Imagine you buy a beginner ChatGPT course. You replace the branding with your own logo and colors. You update the lessons to cover the latest AI features. You record a few new videos with your own tips and examples. You rewrite the ebook, redesign the cover, and package everything with a prompt library or bonus templates. By the time you're finished, you've created something that feels unique instead of looking like another copy of the same course. Before buying anything, there are a few things you should always check. First, look at how recent the content actually is, since AI tools change constantly, and a course built around outdated information will feel stale to anyone who watches it. Second, check exactly what rights you're getting, since PLR, white label, and resell rights aren't always identical. Third, look for creators who commit to providing updates over time, since a static course on a fast-moving topic like AI will lose value within months if it's never refreshed. And finally, always preview the content before buying. since a well-written sales page can make even mediocre material sound incredible. Let's talk about where these products typically live. Many creators sell PLR bundles directly through their own websites. You'll also find dedicated PLR marketplaces, such as IDPLR, PLR.me, Big Product Store, and Buy Quality PLR, each offering different types of licenses and product quality. There are also marketplaces where independent creators sell downloadable digital products, sometimes including PLR or resell rights courses. No matter where you buy, always compare the licensing terms, update policy, and product quality before making a decision. Now let's talk about who's actually buying these courses once you rebrand them. Coaches and consultants often want ready-made training they can bundle into their membership programs without building everything from scratch. Small business owners want quick, practical AI training for themselves or their teams without paying for a custom-built course. Freelancers and virtual assistants use these materials to learn AI tools quickly so they can offer new services to their own clients. And plenty of everyday learners are simply looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly way to finally understand how to use ChatGPT and AI automation in their daily work. Here's the bigger picture worth understanding. The AI education market isn't slowing down anytime soon, since more tools keep launching and more people keep feeling behind on how to use them. That constant demand is exactly why PLR content in this niche has become so valuable, since it lets you enter the market much faster than building everything yourself. If you're thinking about starting a digital product business, or you already run one and want to expand your offers quickly, this can be a practical way to build your product catalog. Start by browsing a few PLR marketplaces and comparing what's actually included in each package before you buy anything. Look closely at the licensing terms, check how recent the content is, and always preview before purchasing. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to transform a generic PLR AI course into a premium product that stands out from the competition without creating everything from scratch. If this video helped you understand how the PLR space actually works, smash that like button, leave a comment with the type of AI product you'd want to sell first, and subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this one. I'll see you in the next video.